In LED display systems, connectors are not the most visible components, yet they play a critical role in overall system stability and long-term reliability. Such as a typical outdoor LED display during long-term operation, these assemblies are subject to installation tolerances, structural vibration, and temperature fluctuations caused by daily and seasonal environmental changes. Traditional rigid connectors tend to transfer mechanical stress directly to solder joints and contact interfaces. Over long-term operation, this stress can gradually increase the risk of connection degradation and failure. For such systems, the interconnection solution must strike a balance between assembly tolerance, electrical performance, and mechanical stability. Floating connectors address this challenge by providing controlled displacement compensation in multiple directions. This allows the connection interface to actively absorb assembly misalignment and small mechanical changes during operation. Greenconn GC01 series connector supports high-speed signal transmission up to 16 G per second, while the power pins are rated at 3A per pin, enabling simultaneous data and power delivery required by modern LED display systems. Supporting a wide operating temperature range from -55°C to +105°C, the solution offers strong resistance to vibration as well as thermal expansion and contraction, ensuring long-term stable connections for outdoor LED displays. Structurally, the design incorporates metal hold-down tabs and alignment posts, which enhance solder joint strength, distribute mechanical stress, and help prevent assembly errors. Greenconn's floating connector solution balances assembly tolerance, signal integrity, and structural stability, providing engineering-grade interconnection reliability for LED display systems.